Struggling to make your Outgrow experiences look great on mobile? By the end of this video, you'll build mobile-first workflows that boost engagement without extra headaches. If your quizzes, calculators, and forms are not mobile-friendly, you are losing up to 70% of potential users. Mobile-first workflows mean your experiences adapt naturally to any screen, fast load times, touch-friendly buttons, and layouts that guide your users without frustration. Step-by-step guide. Step 1, Open Builder. Start by opening your Outgrow Builder and clicking on the calculator, quiz, or assessment you want to create for your website. You can start from scratch or choose a ready-made template from our library. Step 2, Adjust Layout. Next, adjust the layouts of your welcome screen, questions, or outcomes by clicking on the Layout tabs under the Design section. You can also adjust the background image if needed for better engagement. Step 3, Optimize Inputs. Make your inputs mobile-friendly, larger buttons, touch-friendly fields, and intuitive gestures. Step 4, Test Interactions. Test the workflow in real time using the mobile preview to catch any friction points. Step 5, Publish and Track. Finally, publish your workflow and track mobile performance metrics to continuously improve. Teams using mobile-first workflows in Outgrow cut mobile friction by 82% and increased form completions by 50%. Start building mobile-first experiences today. Sign up now to get a 7-day free trial from Outgrow to optimize your workflows and watch engagement soar.